Mic check, 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I loud? Am I clear? Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to cover the market open. We're about to cover the breaking gold and silver news. It's been a wild one today. Who's ready? Smash that like button. We're going to be live here in 9 minutes and 20 seconds. Smash that like button if you're excited. And ladies and gentlemen, I just put out the tweet for this live stream on X. Please go retweet it. Please go like it. We're going to be live in just 9 minutes here. Yes! Let's go! We're going to be live in 8 minutes and 40 seconds here. Great job, Rob. Wow, 100 ounces. Great job. Yes! Let's go, let's go! Ladies and gentlemen, we are just 8 minutes and 15 seconds away from being live. I'm going to cover the breaking gold and silver news. We're going to cover the market open together. Smash the like button. Only 5 more to 100. We'll be live here in just 8 minutes. Who's ready? Who is unshaken? Let's go, let's go. Yes. Who's holding the line? Who has intestinal fortitude? Old ship bell in a coastal town, a rusty safe getting dragged out now. Ancient coins in a dusty tray, shine 'em up, watch the years fall away. Border trains through the midnight haze, customs line, keep the nerves in place. Secret pockets sewn inside my coat, every bar another little vote. They said we were crazy and insane. They said silver would never go above $20 an ounce again, then 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. They smashed us and smacked us all the way back down into the 60s. But I am unshaken. I will not surrender. I am still stacking because the fundamentals have not changed. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in just 6 minutes and 50 seconds covering the market open here. Are you unshaken? Are you still stacking? Do you have intestinal fortitude? We're going to be live here in just 6 minutes and 30 seconds covering it all. The breaking news and the market open. Who's with me? Who's with me? David Houston, this is my music. You can find it on Apple Music, iTunes, Spotify. You just search International Stackers, the artist. You can rock out anytime, day or night. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in just 6 minutes and 10 seconds. Smash that like if you're ready here. Voices rise. Yes. Like a tidal wall. Thanks, FJ. I'll check it out, FJ. Thank you. Yes. Yeah. This is when it matters. This is when intestinal fortitude matters, ladies and gentlemen. We've been here before. We'll be here again. But I know where we're headed. The fundamentals have not changed. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live here in just 5 minutes and 20 seconds covering the breaking gold and silver news that you need to know now. We're going to be watching the Comex open together in just 5 minutes and 15 seconds here. Please smash the like button. Yes! Let's go, let's go.
Stacks of silver, stacks of gold.
Yeah!
Digging treasure, riches untold. International Stacker.
Let's go. Guys, this is Chasing That Mill, M-I-L-L. Come on. It's not MILF, it's M-I-L-L. Come on. Somebody literally changed their name to Chasing That MILF. For all. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in 4 minutes and 30 seconds covering the breaking news and market open. Smash the like button if you're ready. Share the stream. Please retweet the stream tweet. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Chasing that mill. Maps and clues, giveaways tonight. Silver dream shining bright. Roll the dice, take a chance. Treasure calls, we're in a dance. Silver shine.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to be live in just 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Covering the market open. Did you buy the dip today? If you bought the dip, put dip in chat right now. Let's see who did it. Let's go. Yes.
Riches await. You're the best international stacker. Stacking strong. Silver, gold, where you belong.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. We're going to be live in 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Smash that like button if you're ready. We're going to be covering the breaking gold and silver news, helping you to read the tea leaves. We're going to be watching the Comex silver market reopen for the start of tonight's and tomorrow's daily trading session. 3 minute warning.
The quest, riches await. You're the best international stacker. Stacking strong.
That's funny, Chasing That MILF.
Where you belong.
Let's go, let's go.
Chasing that mill.
Thank you, Bismo. Thank you, Bismo. I'm happy you like my music. You can find it anywhere. Search International Stackers, the artist. Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to be live in 2 minutes and 20 seconds here. Smash the like button if you're ready. Let's go. Get your claws up. Yes. Let's get it. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get a crab dance going. Drop a crab in chat if you're ready for this live stream. We're going to be live in 1 minute and 40 seconds. Better yet, who wants the Mega Ga? Do you want free silver? Put Mega in chat if you want to win the Mega Ga. Let me know. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in just 1 minute and 20 seconds, breaking it all down. Smash the like button if you're ready. Share the stream. Let's go. Yes. Let's get it. 1 minute warning. 1 minute warning. Do you guys want the old school intro or the little kid? Let me know right now. Old school or little kid? Here we go. 50-second warning here. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Yes. 30-second warning. 30-second warning. Here we go. Let's go, let's go. Okay, we're about to do this right now live. Who's ready?
Dance with me. One stacker on a journey to find silver. International Stacker.
What is up, ladies and gentlemen? The name's International Stacker, coming to you live from Key West, Florida, where I'm closer to Cuba than a Walmart. I'm currently just being boring and sipping on water, but where are you at in the world, and what are you sipping on? Let me know right now, ladies and gentlemen. And oh, FJ Racem in chat, you won some auctions at St. Jude's. You need to reach out to Miss Ida to get your item. She doesn't have your address, so you can email me at internationalstacker@gmail.com if you'd like, and I will connect you with her. FJ Racem. Ladies and gentlemen, 67,400 videos around the world on gold, or 67,442 subscribers. There we go. 2,000 videos around the world on gold and silver adventures. That means we're only 58 subscribers away from the next big show. And boy, oh boy, is today going to be a big show. Please smash that like button. 700 people watching, but only 184 likes. Welcome, everybody. And Mrs. IS just gave me a heart attack, snuck up behind me, but it's okay. So let's see what happened today. Wow, guys, Slammy McSlammerson. Look at this. Slammy McSlammerson smashing a smasheroo. Smash us all the way down to $65.51, but you might as well call Silver Twisted Sister because it said it's not going to take it. It pushed back, almost the most massive DTB you could ever see here. Pushed higher, got to a high of 72.91, and it closed at 72.81. Remember, this market's going to start to move here in just 2 minutes and 45 seconds every day from 5 to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, besides the weekends, obviously. The gold and silver market takes a break on the Comex from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m., and then it picks back up, so we're going to be watching this live here just shortly. Silver futures is at 72.81, so let's put that back up. Oh, guys! Wow! Silver futures and the spot price are in alignment. Remember, usually contangos when the futures price is higher. Backwardations when it's lower. It is dead on even right now, so we're going to watch that as soon as we go live here. And look at gold, guys. Gold got Slammy McSlammerson as well, all the way down here to about $4,505 an ounce. But you know what gold said to the bankers?
How dare you?
It said, how dare you, and it raged back up, getting as high as 4,663.04, closing the trading session at 4,650.46. So remember, the trading session that's about to start here in a minute and a half now, a minute and a half, is the official day trading session for tomorrow. It starts the night before, okay? So we're about to see the official trading session pick up here in just, what would that be, a minute and 20 seconds here. So I'm going to stay on this chart, and actually we're going to have to switch here to probably Pyth. Remember, the chart, Oneida, my favorite chart, doesn't start working for about 8 minutes. So we'll switch here to Pyth to get an actual idea, but we'll get the detailed snapshot as soon as we get back to Oneida, as soon as that starts moving here. But ladies and gentlemen, this is a 1 minute warning. And look at this, guys, real quick. This is back to Oneida. Look at this. This is the 200-day simple moving average. Silver's gone back over the 200-day. Simple moving average, and it has also gone back over the 50-day. That is a big deal. We're going to see what happens here. This market's imminently about to open. Now, I'm going to count it down, but we probably won't see this moving for about 10 seconds or so. Maybe 15 seconds. Something like that. And guys, Mrs. IS just brought me a package. I'm going to open this up right now. Maybe it's got some stuff for the Mega Ga in it. I don't know. 20 seconds till the chart starts to move. If you're excited, smash that like button. It's literally about to go down. 15 seconds here as I'm feverishly trying to cut this package open without cutting my fingers off. 10 seconds, and I'm going to count it down from 5. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the market is open. We'll see this start to trade here soon. Not quite yet, but soon here we'll start to see this trade. Any second now. Come on. Any second now. It kills me every time it does this. There's like a little bit of a lag. Laggy McLaggerson, like 15 seconds, 20 seconds, sometimes 30. Okay, here we go. Here we go. The market is open. We're on a green candle at 72.84. And guys, in about 5 minutes, please remind me to switch back to Oneida. I know it's not pronounced that way. I know it's like Oanda, but I like saying Oneida, potato, patata. And we are at $72.89 on silver. It is pushing back even higher, and we'll see where we go here. And gold as well is pushing higher. Gold is pushing higher at $4,655.61. So we're going to see what we can do here, ladies and gentlemen. And Owen said, just watch the new video with Yankee. Will you be heading to Manchester to get some of those Engelhard bars, Tim? Maybe, Owen. I haven't seen it. I'll go watch it. Owen, I will go watch it after this. You got my promise. Guys, you know what I did today? I filmed an emergency video. So I'm going to have a video coming out tomorrow, Friday, and it's an emergency video. So watch out for that tomorrow. And we're on a BGC, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, a big green candle here on silver, pushing higher at 73.11, and a BGC big green candle on gold pushing 4,658. Ladies and gentlemen, not a financial advisor, just some dude on the internet with crabs. But ladies and gentlemen, do not be downtrodden. Do not get beat down. I've been saying for a long time on this channel, those with intestinal fortitude, those that aren't shaken out, are going to be dancing in celebration with me in the streets eventually. Remember, the road's going to be long, dark, and full of terrors. It's going to be scary. There's going to be attacks. There's going to be pullbacks. Some of us are going to get bumps. Some of us are going to get bruises. But crustaceans, guys, we can grow back new claws and new appendages. And guys, we are only 56 subscribers away from the next big show. So please subscribe. And I've got a big mega giveaway coming soon. And I think I just got some more stuff to give away to you guys. Let me look here real quick. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Guys, I just got the craziest package ever. Look at this. I open it. It says Mega Ga 100K. You're not going to believe what's in this. I need to. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. I just got the most epic package to give away to you guys. I need you guys. Do you want to see what silver and items I just got to give away to you in the mega giveaway? It's from somebody who's in chat literally right now. No, Ralph Ramsey is not a bot. Ralph Ramsey's not a bot. Do you guys want to see it? Do you want to see what's almost in the box? If you want to see it, I need you to chant right now the person who just sent this in the mail. His name, you might know him. He's a moderator, KTM. Chant KTM. KTM. Ladies and gentlemen, every once in a while on this channel for a big celebration, I just did one last year, gave away 70 ounces. I did one at the beginning of this year, did about 30 ounces. Something called my Mega Ga short for giveaway. This box is so full, already 30 ounces of silver, premium silver here. That's a Valcambi. There's gold, there's copper in here. But guys, KTM just sent me something absolutely amazing. Let me show you. Let me show you just some of the stuff he sent me. Hold up. I'm making sure I'm getting this right. So first off, who wants this? MS69 2025 P Eagle, one of the first 50,000 issued. Should I drop it in the box? Put drop it in chat right now if I should drop it. Okay, it's going in. Wow, this is so cool, KTM. What about this I think this is probably 5 avoirdupois ounces. It's a cool, it's dragon, and look at that. It's like holographic. Look at that. All-seeing eye. Do you guys want this? Tell me to drop it in the box, and I'll add it to the giveaway. Should I drop it? Okay, you're saying drop it. Okay. Guys, but wait, there's more. Oh, my gosh. Look at this, guys. This is from 1974. It's not gold or silver, but look at this. This is 10 Vietnam dong. So I've got my big old fat stack of Vietnam dong here that I plop out all the time. But one of you is gonna win 10 Vietnam dong, so we'll add that to, well, should I drop it? Tell me to drop it. Should I drop it? Okay, you guys want it? Cool. Wow. How about some gold? Who wants some gold as I rip this tape off here? Oh my gosh. Becky, what is this? Look at this. This is some gold. Come on, focus. It's Scottsdale silver. 1/100th of an ounce of gold. Do you guys want it? Drop it in chat right now if you want it. Okay, it's going in. Oh my gosh, guys, there's even more. There's even more. Okay, I'm going to go cover the news, and I'll drop some more of this in a little bit. I'll drop some more of it in a little bit, okay? Guys, it is absolutely insane, and I think Oneida should be working. Everyone say thank you to KTM. And guys, this is why I love Oneida. Look at this. We had a gap up. We had a gap up, which means we're going to have a gap to fill here. You remember these days, guys? You remember the days when we were worried about all the gaps we had to fill, and we filled all of them? So we've got a new gap here. Thank you so much, KTM. And guys, wait until you see some of the other stuff KTM gave to put into that Mega God. Guys, is the Mega God getting pretty mega? Is it getting pretty mega? You got to be subscribed to win it. So there we go. There we go. That is the new gap we've got to fill. And right now, silver hit a high of $73.28, currently trading at $73.24. And gold, let's go back over here to, not Pepperstone, Oneida. There we go. It did not gap up, which is fine. We're cool with that. But look at this. $4,663 an ounce. Ladies and gentlemen, this market just opened up violently. Violently. And do you guys want to know the real reason why we just gapped up on silver? I'll tell you. But you can't tell anybody. I could actually get in trouble for this. But if you want to know the real reason silver gapped up is because I paid the bankers a little bit of a visit.
Dudley! Schmidt! A fallen hard with one arm! Wow. Oh my God! And then he slammed! Oh no, he's now! Major choke slam!
Poor Mortimer. Poor Mortimer. Okay. Now we're going to go here. Aya's showing us his package, handling his dong, and flipping gaps. What's up, Sean47? Good to see you. Good to see you. Okay, I'm going to go into the news here. So if you got questions, hold them for like 2 minutes here. I got some major breaking news that's important for you all to know. So major breaking news. Then after that, I'll go back to questions and answers in the chat. And yes, before I do that, look at here. The DXY took a dump over 1%. Some oil's down, some oil's up. The stock market's down. So it's been a wild day. So here we go. Here's the breaking news. I'll cover this, and then I'll come back to chat for questions and answers here shortly. And I said, are we in the clear, or are we going lower? Put clear in chat if you think clear. Put lower if you think we're going lower. Here's what Rashad said, one of our favorite technical analysts on YouTube. Actually, an intense 2 to 3 day sell-off in metals is better than endless slow grind lower. I agree. Fast cleansing equals fast recovery. I agree. Let's get over something which is inevitable. I like that. Do you guys agree with them? Let me know right now. Look at this. This is an alert. Oil reportedly selling for $170 a barrel in Dubai. Look at that. It's more. It's like 178 or something there. And this is from Rory, and he's in the oil industry. You could tell by this little oil pump on his profile. And he's saying cash Dubai crude, the balance of the month, just broke $170 a barrel. To my knowledge, no crude has ever commanded more than $170 a barrel before. And guys, in chat right now, Josh has been trading oil. Congratulations, Josh. I hope you're just killing it. And look at this, gold sell-off panic. Let's zoom out. So Ron Stefano's inbox, as well as mine today, have absolutely been exploding with worry over the latest dip. But look at the real picture. Gold is still up double digits in nearly every major currency in 2026 alone. Don't let recency bias shake you out of generational bull run. Recency bias is real. Short-term red candles can feel brutal, but the structural bull, central banks buying, debt exploding, war risks, supply tightness hasn't gone anywhere. If you're losing sleep over a pullback, you might be missing the forest from the trees. Crustacean Nation, still in this generational bull market? Are you still in, or are you shaking? Put shaking if you're shaking, but if you're still in, put still in chat right now. What's your 2026 gold target? How much more physical are you guys adding? And thank you so much, Jolly Lollipop, for that super chat saying, not a drill. Thank you so much. Look at this. So from Ronnie Stefano right here, the amount of panic in my inbox over gold sell-off is a good contrarian indicator. If you are losing sleep over a short-term dip, you aren't looking at the big picture. Gold is still up double digits in almost every major currency this year. Don't let recency bias shake you out of a generational bull run. So here we go. As you can see here, here's 2020. Oh, and Rich Mitch, thank you so much for that super chat and for being a channel member, saying premiums on physical are still ludicrous. Oh yeah, for sure. They're going to get their due. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Performance of gold. Since 2023, all green, all green, all green, all green. Look at this, 2026, even after this attack, all green. Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up. Intestinal fortitude, who has it right now? Next piece of news here, this is another important one. Silver's brutal 15-day sell-off, one of the most extreme in history. Only 2 prior episodes matched this kind of violence. One was a major top, one was a major bottom. But look at the setup today. Supply locked in multi-year deficits. Remember, we've been at a deficit for 6+ years, and it's getting worse. It's projected to continue into the 2030s. Mining capex still near rock bottom levels. Giant new discoveries basically zero. Production flatlining. Almost no meaningful projects in the pipeline, and that means silver-only meaningful projects. Yet, the whole precious metal sector is just 1% of global equities. This is not a normal correction in a crowded trade. It's a violent shakeout in a structurally tight market. Crustacean Nation, bottom or fake out? Are you buying this dip hard? Guys, what did you buy today? I know you crustaceans bought the dip. What did you guys get? And this was in response to Octavio Costa saying, the sell-off in silver over the past 15 days has been one of the most extreme moves we've seen in history. Only 2 other are comparable by a peak and one a major bottom. And look at this. What is going on? That was a major peak, a major bottom. What in the world is going on? Well, we're going to keep watching. We're going to keep analyzing. I'm going to help you guys read the tea leaves. But ladies and gentlemen, the silver vault alert. JP Morgan pulls 1 million ounces, but 500K added to register. What is going on? So this is from Silver Trade. 1 million ounces removed from JP Morgan silver vaults. Comex silver report. 948,000 withdrawn from JP Morgan vaults. 548,000 added to StoneX vaults. Total Comex registered went up to 79 million. So look at this. 508,000 actually was added there, but 390,000 left combined. So if you take this, 948,000, subtract the 5 from that, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, that's 448,000. Subtract the 390 from that, that's about 50,000 somewhere. It's probably this eligible. So the vault did drain, a net drain of 390,000. What in the world is going on at the Comex vaults, and what smoke and mirrors games are they playing? They're trying to make it confusing so you guys can't follow it. But spoiler alert, I'm watching. And here's one saying, is the bloodbath over? Rashad, one of our favorite technical analysts, said, silver goes from negative 13% intraday to negative 3, recovering most of the decline. Is the bloodbath over? Let's wait and see the price action tomorrow for confirmation. But so far, so good, as silver almost formed a bullish reverse hammer. Is that close to a crustacean hammer, maybe a Thor's hammer? I got one right here. I got one right here, a Thor's hammer right here. Oh, you guys want me to add more silver to the mega giveaway? Let's see what else KTM sent us. Should I drop this? Guys, it's literally an alien. I should keep this one. Whoa. If you want this in the giveaway, drop it in chat right now. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I'm keeping. Oh, nope. Someone beat me to it. Drop it. All right. I got one more piece of silver to show here. This is as well from KTM. This is from 2016. Who wants Superman? Who wants Superman? If you guys don't tell me to drop it by the time I count down, I get to keep it. That's the rule. Should I drop it? You have 3 seconds to comply. 2, 1. You got me. Guys, can you say thank you to KTM? This giveaway is getting massive. Oh my gosh. Here's another little short I put out today. So go see that. And I said here, Jason just bought the dip. Did you? International Stacker took advantage of the dip. Picked these up today. So guys, look what he picked up. An 1885 Morgan Silver Dollar, some Buffalo rounds, and a PF69 Ultra Cameo 2000 P Eagle proof. Or maybe not a proof. Is that a proof? It looks like it. Congratulations. And look at this. I said so true. This is bald guy money earlier. This was less than 1 year ago when people were still excited about the idea of $60 silver. Now they mourn it. So less than a year ago, people were like excited about reaching $60 in 2026. people would have given their right arm for it. But now people are like, we're going to 60. We're ruined. We're ruined. Guys, stay focused. Don't get shaken out. We got this. Are you seizing the day? Mikkel is. Look at this. Good morning, stackers. Remember, spot is nothing but a paper price disconnected from the real world. When low, it's a discount for buying opportunities. I got a couple more pieces of news here that I'm going to go back to the charts. I said, wow, Comex works great when the price is going down. And here's what John Tudd said. The gold news is that the CME has had no technical issues or glitches during the silver crash. And then Bald Guy says, all-out market crash? Great. Gold and silver are always the first to recover, and I've got plenty of time to watch and wait. And then here I said, so true, not financial advice. Silver Dejan said this. I wish I bought more, says everyone when silver was $100 an ounce. Today's the day you buy more. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to raise your hand right now. If you were one of those people when silver was over 100 saying, I wish I bought more under $100 an ounce, raise your hand. I'm raising mine. Well, ladies and gentlemen, as Silver Dejan so eloquently said, today's the day you buy more. Not financial advice, of course, but that's so powerful. And Ty is still stacking, aren't you? Look at what Ty picked up today. International Stacker yesterday just picked these up yesterday at spot. So look what Ty picked up. 100 gram Scottsdale silver bar. I love these. Indian head penny. 1988 American Silver Eagle. Is this a 10th ounce or a quarter ounce? I can't tell the size. Maybe a 10th ounce. And 2 1 ounce Liberty. And then it looks like a little gram right here. Awesome pickups. Ty. Guys, Ty is on fire. And you know what else is on fire? Silver's on fire on the Comex. We just pushed to a new trading session high. And what do I mean by trading session? Remember, we just started a whole new trading session that goes till tomorrow, till 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And so far on this trading session, we're up, baby. 0.78%. We are up. We just hit a trading session high of $73.47 after this little baby gap. It might be a little bit of a mega gap. I don't know, baby mega. I don't know. But guys, we have a red candle here. And there's something that we do on this channel that some scientists say works 90% of the time, every time, to turn a red candle green or a green candle to a BGC. Ladies and gentlemen, the baby gator.
Okay, I'm going to try to do the baby gator noise. Here we go. How do you do the baby gator noise? I don't know. Whoa, whoa, what was that? It was a giant lizard just jumped. That thing was massive. I thought I actually summoned an alligator for a second there.
Ladies and gentlemen, the baby gator.
It's science.
It's science. Okay, now I'm looking at chat. So if you got questions, put them in chat right now. And look at Raghu Raja today bought 250 more ounces of silver. Congratulations, Raja. Everyone say congrats to Raja. House said, we had an asteroid by my house full of silver. Well, I hope you ran out there and grabbed some. I did see news about that asteroid. Was it really full of silver? I doubt it. That'd be amazing if, imagine though, it's just like a 10-ton block of silver. Jimmy Reefer saying, warning, do not ping test a Vietnam dong, especially without permission. They did it, and now they're going to court tomorrow. That's funny. Okay, look at this, guys. Stacking Shark bought 52 ounces today at spot when it was 68 this morning. Congratulations. You're already up $5 an ounce. That's pretty mega. And Josh in chat saying it's science. Meister Stacker saying, what is the spot price of gold pressed latinum? What is latinum? Gold pressed latinum. Should I even Google this, or is it gonna get is this gonna get my channel banned? Let me get ready to close this. A rare silver colored liquid metal used. Wow. I don't know. It sounds crazy. I don't know. Oh, okay. Said we're in backwardation. Let's see. 73.29. Okay, we were in backwardation when he posted that. We're now 1 cent in contango, so we're going to keep watching that. Thank you. Okay, a couple more questions here. Okay, this one's from Hermit Camper. Thank you for being a channel member, saying, we had an oil spill on our coral forest, but crabs are resilient. I hired some gulls. Will swarm. Will sound dish soap. Nice. Sean Leslie says, if the baby gator can change a red candle green, imagine what a grande gator would do. Whoa. But I don't know, guys. The grande gator's call is not as refined as the baby gator. The baby gator could hit higher octaves. I think that's what makes it powerful. Jolly Lollipop saying, I believe we will have a worldwide depression. Will this make silver plunge? I think so too, guys. And look at this. Everything on the right here is red except for now gold and silver and WTI crude oil. Everything else is green, even Bitcoin. Or I mean red, even Bitcoin. I do think there's a big correction coming in the market. Maybe a crash, maybe a depression. So remember, usually when the stock market crashes, again, not a financial advisor, just some dude on the internet with crabs. Usually when the stock market crashes historically, everything goes down with it, including gold and silver. But then once the big institutional players, the big money, once they figure out that it's an actual prolonged incident going on there in the market, that's when you'll see capital rotate back into gold and silver. And that's when you'll see it go up because people, that's their flight for safety. They want to preserve their buying power, and they do that by getting silver and gold, and they want it now.
It's my silver, and I want it now. My silver, and I want it now. My silver, and I want it now.
It's their silver, and they want it now, and so do you. And Chasing That MILF said, just emailed you about the Mega Goss, subject 100K Mega. I will read that after the stream. Thank you so much, Chasing That MILF. Really appreciate it. The problem solver saying, whip out your big tin dong. It's in the box now, guys. I can't pull it out of the, it's in the box. Variable Stacker saying, in the Mega God, will you split that box up or give it all at one time? No, I'll split it up. We're going to have so much silver and copper and gold in there. I've got to split it up. It will be split up. Variable. I want to share the wealth, maybe 10, 15 winners, something like that. And it's going to cost me $1 trillion to ship, but you guys are worth it. NJNJM is saying paper silver is not detached from physical until it's detached. Wait, paper silver is not detached from physical until it's detached from physical. When do you think this will happen? I mean, I think it's happening. Like if you went to coin shops today, I guarantee you weren't, for the most part, getting stuff at spot. Maybe someplace you were, but I'm pretty sure in a lot of places there's decent premiums or shops that didn't even open today. So I'd say that process is already starting. When will it completely decouple? I'm not sure, but if you go to my channel, click videos latest, go down here to this video right here. Silver shortage 2026. Why physical prices will explode no matter what paper says. I'll actually drop that link in chat. This talks about spot price decoupling. I've got pretty much a video for everything on this channel. So that right there talks about spot price decoupling. So watch that later if you want more of my perspective on that. All right, it's in chat. Do you think we should introduce Viola to AI Asian guy? Silverpug, no! Silverpug, Viola's a hardcore stacker. If you guys are single and you want to meet a girl from Poland, she's looking for a suitor. I'll pipe her in right now.
Yep. What's the robot's name?
Viola.
Viola.
Ladies and gentlemen, she's different. Yes. Okay. Wow, Mrs. Chef Yoda, thank you so much for the super chat saying add to the shipping fund for the 100K. Thank you so much, Mrs. Chef Yoda. I certainly will, and that's definitely going to go to good use because it's going to be an expensive one. I really appreciate that. And Victor saying the government is also about to inject a beep ton of liquidity into the economy with that $200 billion request from the Pentagon. Money printer about to go brrr. Yeah, it is about to go brr for sure. And Paul, thank you so much for that super chat as well, Paul, Ernie, and thank you for being a channel member. You're mega. And you guys, closer to 3 Walmarts than an LCS, says AG Farmer. You guys, speaking about Germania Mint, do you guys want to see another item that KTM sent to add to the Mega Ga? Do you want to see it? Let me know in chat right now. Say, let us see it. Okay. I'm going to show it. One of my favorite things ever. A Germania Mint rune, ladies and gentlemen. These glow under a UV light. A Germania Mint rune. These are so awesome, and they're expensive. Well over $100. 120, 130 probably in a lot of places. You're only gonna have 3 seconds. I'm gonna try to keep this. You have 3 seconds to tell me to drop it or I'm keeping it. 3, 2, 1. Oh no! Someone put drop it before I could pull it back. Another premium ounce of silver to the mega giveaway. If you guys want a chance to win all this, you got to be subscribed, turn on those notification bells, smash the like button right now. We're only 1 like away from 400, and the first person to hit that like button is going to get good luck for 4 years.
It's science.
It's science. Say thank you to KTM. KTM is gone way above and beyond. That is amazing. Future Motive, thank you so much for that super chat saying ad for shipping for the GA. Thank you. I will add that certainly. Thank you so much. And guys, the Real Savage Patriot's been a crab cadet for 2 months now. Look at the Real Savage Patriots emoji next to their name. It's a camel. At 1 month it changes, 2 months it changes, 3 months it changes, 6 months it changes. So they keep getting different cool emojis. And thank you so much, Real Savage Patriot, dropping those American flags for your dedication to the channel. And look at that, Josh saying add to the McAllen Fund. Whoa. I will certainly add those pounds to the McAllen Fund. Thank you so much, Josh. You are mega. You are certainly mega. Let's see what you guys are saying to me right now on X, previously known as Twitter. Silver isn't the only thing getting sucked up right now, says Crawford. Yeah, a lot of people are buying gas. I've been keeping our car full to the brim. Every time I drive by, I just fill her up. Have you guys? And TC saying, holy deep, did we win? We was at 67 in the morning and jumped to 73. I was negative 5K in the morning and made 1K by reducing my average cost. How am I winning? Congratulations, Teehee. That is so cool. And guys, Rob in chat, a Diamond Claws member is saying, can you take us higher?
Fly me to the moon. Let me play among the stars.
Yes. Oh, and someone said, found a non-silver site today. A young guy that wants to get to 100 subs by April 1st. His channel is Tony's Young Historian. Needs 6 more. Okay, his channel. Okay, let's check. We're on a side quest. We're on a side quest right now. We're on a side quest. Let's do a quick side quest. Hold up. Quick side quest. Let's check him out. Tomaz the Young Historian. Guys, can we make his dream come true? I'm going to subscribe. Can we make his dream come true? So I'll put his link in chat. If you guys want to subscribe to him, get over that 100. I have a feeling that somebody knows him. So we'll see if we can help him out on that. And again, I did want to shout out Rob. Thank you so much for being a Diamond Claws member. Thank you to all the Diamond Claws level members on the channel. And thank you to all the members on the channel. It's viewers like you that help me do what I do. Thank you so very much. Who on the chat? Who right now on the stream has Diamond Claws? Let me know. And that was Chris. I did that for you, Chris. So, okay. I'm going to keep going down here. I'm not looking at the chat. I'm going to cover your responses here. Then I'll look back at chat. So don't put a question right now because I'll miss it. Next exit saying, I got a wallet made of elephant foreskin. And when you rub it for a few minutes, it turns into a suitcase. What are you talking about, X-Exit? Someone's been hitting the McAllen before me, it looks like. And Mike Knows here says, someone on Wall Street can flick a switch and continue the smackdown. They certainly can. But if they had full control, we would still be under $20 an ounce. We'd be under $20 an ounce, 100%. So they still do have partial control. They still can attack, but it's it's harder for them now than it's ever been in history. That's for sure. Alpha here saying one more retest to 65 tomorrow. Not over yet. Bankers love to double tap recent lows at least one more time to give us fits. Do you guys agree with Alpha 24? Do you think the bankers are going to do a double tap on us? Put double tap in chat if you think so. And if you don't think so, put up if you think we're going to keep going up from here. Suburban Miner here says, yeah, I'm thinking it's over. That's so funny. Chasing that mill says variable. And thank you, Herbal Awareness, for tweeting out this. Thank you, Shotgun, for tweeting this out. Thank you, Blue Shadow. Blue Shadow sending a treasure chest, by the way, for the mega giveaway, guys. Thank you so much. Look at this from Michael. Release the baby gator. Release the baby gator.
Okay, I'm going to try to do the baby gator noise. Here we go. How do you do the baby gator noise? Yeah. I don't know. Whoa, whoa, what was that? It was a giant lizard just jumped. That thing was massive. I thought I actually summoned an alligator for a second there.
And you see it, that diamond claw Captain Crab saying, release the baby gator. There it is there. That's so funny. Thank you for that. Just when we thought silver was cooked, the baby gator saved us. I bet people that aren't crustaceans, because I have a whole group of people that just subscribe to me. I'm sure when they see stuff like this, they're like, what is he talking? What is going on there? Just when we thought silver was cooked, the baby gator saved us. Okay, look at this. Stack Oil. Thank you, International Stacker. Love your effort, enthusiasm, and videos. Keep it coming. And guys, I have an emergency video I did film today. It's going to be coming out tomorrow. So be on the lookout for that. I'm bringing the receipts. Silver's crashing. I'm bringing the receipts on that one. It's going to be good. It's meant to be motivational to help you stack and to have intestinal fortitude. Look at here from RN for Life saying, we all have been doing the baby gator call all day. That's probably why it rebounded. Look at this cute little baby gator, guys. Look at that little guy. And Blue Shadow said what he said. Justin says natural after so many got in due to FOMO. That stands for fear of missing out. But we need to remember why we bought. Unless it's pure speculation, then there's that. Yeah, the fundamentals haven't changed. Did spot really drop to 63? Well, let's look, Eric. Oh, no, I missed that. Let's look. No. Spot dropped to 65.49. So it did not really drop to 63. That's probably just an error or some sort of artifact there. But look at, guys. The bankers are trying to smash us. Guys, oh my gosh, what do you see here? So the good news is we filled the gap. Guys, what formation are you seeing right here? Am I seeing things? Am I seeing things? What does that look like? It's a shark attack. Are they double tapping us? Are they double tapping us? It's a shark attack. We'll keep watching to find out. No. Just shouted. Are you here? Are you here, Eric? I don't know if Eric's here. We may very well surge back to 80 tomorrow, says Mikkel. Thank you, Mikkel. And guys, look at this. Richard Metcalf with the super chat. Thank you so much. Just a little to help with the future shipping. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. It's going to be expensive, but it's worth it for you guys. And guys, I ship worldwide. Unlike a lot of giveaways online, I'm like, everyone in America and Canada, you're cool. Everyone else, sorry. Sorry, you get poop. No! I ship everywhere I'm able to. Again, there's places I'm limited to by law and by regulations, and like Antarctica, I just can't do it because it costs $1 trillion to ship to Antarctica. But I will ship to United States, North America, parts of South America. Venezuela is a little problematic right now, and a few other places. All over Europe, I ship to. I ship to Oceania. I ship to Australia, New Zealand. Some places in the Middle East, yes, some no. Most of the African continent, no, sorry. Some parts of Asia, a lot of places, a lot more than any other giveaway on the market. So it could get expensive. But you guys, if you support me from anywhere in the world, I feel like I owe it to you if I can. And look at this from L. Snapton. Storm coming, warning. Yeah, we could have used that tweet this morning. Look at this from Ken saying, just heavy manipulated. Just how long can it keep going? How long do you guys think it could keep going? Put it in chat right now. What do you guys think for Ken here? Eric saying, International Stacker, they're asking for public comment on Capital Reserve banks. Should have. We should comment that about the banks needing to hold gold. I'll check that out. Thank you, Eric. And Jose here is saying, yes, but tomorrow is the last dangerous day. The biggest option expiry. So for the stock market tomorrow, guys, it is dangerous. There's an option expiry day tomorrow. Is it for, wait, what is it for? Is it for commodities? Somebody reminded me. What's it for tomorrow on the market? It's definitely not for gold and silver because silver happens the 25th. Daniel Whitley here saying, it's very hard to make a call on anything right now. Every market seems to be counterintuitive. And you know why, guys? It's a little thing over here called Iran. It's a little thing over here that's plaguing this area. A little conflict that is restricting what usually flows 20 to 25% of the world's oil a day, 25 to 30% of the world's liquid natural gas a day, aluminum, fertilizer, stuff for farmers, a bunch of stuff has been restricted. It is a major disruption. We are in a black swan type event, ladies and gentlemen, and it's only going to get crazier. Gonna have my own oil platform by the end of 2026, says Josh. Congratulations, Josh. I'm glad you're mopping it up. International Stacker, when somebody wants me to win some Pokemon cards. Okay. And Jimmy wants me to win some Pokemon. Okay, it's a giveaway. I guess that's something really good. Okay. Maybe Rat Stacker would like those. I don't know. Okay, we're caught up there. Yes, we're caught up. Oh, well, one more. No, two more. Okay. Alpha 24 saying every time we get hypodermic low, a retest. Is that hypodermic? Yeah, hypodermic low. A retest comes to wipe out investors who bought call options who think it's smooth selling from 65. They always do this. A retest of a nosedive low will come during trading hours the next day. So Alpha's saying we should expect a retest tomorrow, guys. Don't you think? Do you think? What do you think? I don't know. Pat Dolan saying hybrid car gets 55 miles a gallon. There you go. Look at guys. Wow, look at this. Michael says, I was fortunate to acquire a box of 1 ounce bars. Are these germanium mint? Guys, Michael got a box of 1 ounce germanium mint bars. Each one of those bars was touched by Viola.
What's the robot's name?
Viola.
Viola.
Viola touched every single one of those bars. That's epic, dude. Goodbye, Michael. Wow. That is an epic I'm low-key jelly. I'm low-key jelly. And someone's asking me if Rat Stacker has a 2020 year of the mouse. I don't recall, Colleen. I know she has some. I think she has a year of the rat. I'd have to look, Colleen. I don't remember. If you want to email me, internationalstacker@gmail.com, though, I can get you that information. I'm sure she would love it, though. She loves those little creatures. Barcoded Droid upgraded their membership to Diamond Claws. Thank you so much, Barcoded Droid, and thank you to all the Diamond Claws members on this chat, on this channel. Thank you to the support of all the members. It's viewers like you that help me do what I do. Who here on stream has Diamond Claws? Who's got them?
Diamond Claws.
Anyone can have them. You don't have to be a member to have Diamond Claws. You can still have the Diamond Claws. Silver pushing back on a green candle here, 72.87. Gold pushing back on a green candle as well, 4,658. And Sean 47 with that super chat. Thank you so much, saying Mega Gosh shipping help. Also, everyone should subscribe to, oh yeah, it's a shameless plug, Sean 47. Guys, he's one of my oldest channel members. And by oldest, I don't mean geriatric elderly. I mean, he's been a channel member here for like 60 months. So check him out, guys. 507 subscribers, 1,000 gets him monetized. Let's show Sean some love. He showed this channel so much love for so long. Let's show him some love. Okay, let's go back to here. Okay. Go back to here. Okay, Brian in chat is asking, how do you get claws? Claws are just a fun digital currency you earn here in chat. The longer you stay in live streams, the longer you stay in premieres, you earn them. If you super chat, you earn them. If you interact with different people and play games, you earn them. So you just earn them over time, and then you can multiply them by playing the games. They're absolutely worthless. They're worth nothing. But actually, they're worth something, because the last couple mega giveaways, the person with the most claws has won some pretty sweet silver. Speaking of silver, do you guys want me to put more silver in the mega box? Do you guys want me to put more silver in that box? If you want me to put more silver right now. You got to be subscribed for my giveaways, guys, and we're only 45 subscribers away from the next big show here. Oh, you want more silver? This is pretty cool. Do you guys know what this is? Do you guys know what this is? This is the Yankee stacking coin dealer Tim around. Look at this. This was limited release. I think it's limited. I mean, it will stop, so eventually it will be limited. I'm not sure if it's limited, but it's a special release from AppMex. And this was donated by no one other than KTM. Guys, chant KTM in chat. You have 3 seconds to tell me to drop it, otherwise I'm keeping it. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000. I don't think anyone told me to drop. Ah, you got me. They got me. It's going in the box. Guys, we have so much in this box. If you want me to show you what's in the box now, put what's in the box. Put what's in the box if you want to spend. It's going to take like 5 minutes. But if you want to see the gold, silver, and copper you can win, put what's in the box. Okay, go back here. Cool. Okay, we're good there. Guys, I actually have videos with the Yankee stacking. Go to my channel, click here. And just put Yankee in chat. Look at this. These are shorts. This is us playing with his golden cannon. Oh, that did not sound right. This is us in DC. A bunch of videos. Look, that's us both doing stuff. So we got multiple videos together. Yankee stacking. So go check that out. Wolf and Beer says drop in silver was people profit taking to cover their yen margin. That could be true. This is a mini carry trade unwind. Look at the JPY chart next to XAGUSD. There we go. They moved together last night. Wow. So let's check it out. Let's see if this will pop up here. Okay. And then let's just change it to silver. Let's look at them. Bloop. Okay, the left is the Japanese yen. I mean, they're moving similar. What do you guys think? Are those similar? I mean, they're pretty similar. Thank you for that. I would say they're pretty similar. Let me move this back 1 second. Cool. Thank you for that. They're pretty similar. I'm just happy we filled that gap, guys. Okay, you wanted to see what's in the box. Here we go. Remember, this is the celebration for breaking 100,000 subscribers. That's when we're going to do this giveaway. And don't worry, it looks like we got a long ways to go, but AI is saying anywhere between 1 to 2 months till we're there. Guys, the box literally just ripped. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm going to put this down to try to contain the silver. It's a crab claw. All right, here's what's in the box. Guys, we need a bigger box. This, I'm just going to show it quick. Gold. Superman coin from Canada. 5 ounce like hologram looking dragon round. 2 of these puppies from Canada. $10 pieces, silver. Germanium mint rune. We all know what those look like. That's awesome. Valcambi 100-gram bar. That's like 3 ounces. 10 silver town bars that I threw in on a one crazy morning. I also threw this in one crazy morning. Look at this. The Loki. Royal mint, germanium mint. Look at this. You want some germanium mint gold? That's in there. We got silver. That looks like a half ounce maybe. Oh, that's the alien. Alien head. Tim round in Yankee stacking. Cyclonic silver sent in this 3.5 gram bar he poured. We got some cool copper rounds here. Custom poured copper bar. Look at this custom poured copper skull. And guys, he made me one for 100K, but I'm not going to put it on my set until we hit it. Coins, I'm not sure what those are. I don't remember. Some copper skulls. 2 of them. That's an ounce of copper in those. More epic copper bars. More epic poured copper. More epic poured copper. Copper rounds here. A little IS Mega God totem. Look at this. Polar bear. Half ounce from Canada. We got Canadian representation here. 10 dong. Who wants the 10 dong? More copper. Guys, look at... There's silver. There's ounces of silver. There's stickers. There's a Megaga coasters. Look at that. That's an Onza. That's a 999 silver round. Copper crab round. Look at that. Some 90%, some 40%. Look at this, refined. Crystal silver, an ounce there. Guys, this giveaway is going to be massive, and we're not even done yet. Is this going to be the biggest giveaway ever on YouTube? It's massive! Keep smashing that like button, subscribe. If you're doing a raid tonight, think of mobile coins. Well, let's see if he's live. Let's see who's live tonight. Oh, if you know is watching. He's a great channel. We've done him a few times. We did him not long ago. Look at this Cajun Coin Hunter, guys. Maybe Cajun Coin Hunter. So let me mute it. We might do Cajun Coin Hunter.
It should be a 1-1.
I don't know if we've ever done him. Have we ever done Cajun Coin Hunter? We do have mobile coins. We do have mobile coins, so we could do him. Okay, we have mobile coins. We're going to vote on this. We did Mad Stacker kind of recently, so we're going to skip him for now because we did him after mobile coins last. I have done mobile coins before, like 2 times, but I don't know if I've ever done Cajun. Brent oil opens in 13 minutes. We're going to keep watching. Guys, look at this. We're going to stay on at least till Brent oil opens in 13 minutes because right now everything is red on here. Look at the DXY. Remember, usually when the DXY, this is the dollar index, goes up. Yesterday when the smackdown started was here on gold and silver. Usually when it goes up, it's bearish on gold and silver. And it pushes the price down, red candles. When it goes down, it can be bullish on gold and silver and push it up. It's not 100%. They can move in tandem, but that's usually how it goes. And the dollar index here is below 100. Let's go here. Brother IS, it's not Onza with a Z. It's Onza with an S. Onza. I can't say it. I can't do it. Unza. I'm trying. I'm sorry. I heard the banksters are having a crab stew for lunch. Not now, Meister Stacker. We're pushing back. They might have been a little bit ago. And guys, look at this. I cannot stop laughing after you said you were playing with the Yankees Golden Cannon, even though it doesn't sound right. Yeah, it's just one of those things that you say and you're like, oof. Josh is saying, come join me on the moon. Take the rocket.
Fly me to the moon. Let me play among the stars.
And Piotrek wants me to pocket ping that dong. I could pocket ping it, guys, but it's not in the coin app, so it'll be absolutely pointless. I don't want to I want to keep it fresh and pristine for you. Nothing worse than a dented dong. Although it shouldn't dent it. I just thought that sounded funny. Okay. What was I doing? I was doing something here. I got distracted. What? Oh, I was going to ask you. So we're going to hang out for oil to open. And guys, remember the next time I'm going to be live is going to be in the morning at 7:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. But who do you want to raid? Put Cajun in chat if you want to raid Cajun. And again, I don't know if we've ever done him. And he's only got 1 person watching and 2 other people on. That might be good. Or if you want to do mobile coins, he's got 12 people watching. Put mobile in chat. Cajun's got 1,800 subs. Mobile's got 3,000. This is meant to be a blessing for these guys, not a curse. I think we should try Cajun. Let me see if I can. Let me check, though. Let me see if his channel's enabled for me to be able to forward to him. Let me check. Because they have to enable their channel so they can get forwarded to. Let me see if Cajuns will work. It will. All right, so at the end of the stream, if Cajun is still live, we will crab raid Cajun. Your guys voted. But if for some reason Cajun isn't live, because we're still going to go here for a little bit, then we'll do mobile coins. How's that sound? I think that sounds like a plan. Close that. Did Josh get the 10-ounce bar this morning? Papa's asking. Did Josh get the 10-ounce bar this morning? I'm not sure what you're talking about, Papa. Oh, yeah, Josh was talking. I don't know if Josh got it. I don't know. There was a Josh that was talking about getting a 10-ounce bar. Just call it Libby. There you go. Look at us, Libby. Guys, remember, we're thin liquidity after hours. I'm not sure what silver and gold is going to be when we wake up tomorrow, but here in just 8.5 minutes, we're going to find out what happens to Brent. Brent oil. We'll see what happens there soon. We'll see. Well, yeah, we'll see. We'll see. We're going to keep watching. We're going to keep watching. Okay, Josh in chat said, yes, I did. $690 fake dollars to buy it. Congratulations. Imagine that. 10-ounce bars were $1,000 not long ago, and you got it for $690. That is epic. Congratulations, Josh. What kind of 10-ounce bar was it? Let's go here and see what you guys are saying to me on X, formerly known as Twitter. Looks like smashing coming, says Matthew C. Look at this from Mika. Good data to remember from Summit Metals. So let's check this out. Velocity of selling. Mechanical partial recovery underway. Gold-silver ratio. Ratio spike means silver sold versus gold. Paper versus physical. Physical demand holding, premium stable. Dollar and Fed trajectory, DXY stalling means metals can stabilize. Gold 6-day losing statistically means reverts in bull markets. So thank you for that data from Summit Metals. Thank you, Mika. Okay, we're caught up there. Let's look on the news here. Let's refresh this. I ordered my first germanium mint silver today during the dip. Excited. Congratulations, Chris. You're going to love it. Guys, the thing I love about it, the thing I love about germanium mint silver is look in the field. There's always something unique in the field. Most coins, it'll just be like something simple in the field, but germanium mint always does something. Like look at the texture. That's just one of the many pieces of quality I like about Germanium Mint. I'm not sponsored by them. Germanium Mint, if you want to sponsor my channel, I'll take it. I would love to be sponsored by Germanium Mint. Just hang out with Viola all day. Fortune favors the bold. Fortune favors the patient. Fortune favors the truthful. That's from Gold Silver HQ. Look, home sales crashed 17.6% in 1 month. China buys gold for 16th straight month. Oh, someone's trying to duel me. I'll accept it. Oh, I need some time to reach out to Sigma and do it. I'm not going to have an update on that for like a month. It's going to be right before the Mega if I can get that done. But I'm going to try. That's the update. I'm going to try. I'm going to try to get a Sigma, guys, to give away in the Mega Ga. How crazy would that be? Sorry, Sean. I beat you in that duel. Okay, I've not checked the email yet. I've got to check this evening on emails. I'm way behind. Look at this. Crypto guys down 75% instead of 99%. Yay! Gold and silver buyers down 20%. That's funny. Global copper mines, guys. Copper demand is on the increase. I need to do... Would you guys like me to do a video on copper? Would you like me to do a video on copper? Let me know. Craig says a Sigma would be fantastic. Yeah, it'd be crazy. I'm really liking my Perth Mint Silver, says Snorrel. Lax. Okay. Ooh, D. Peterson saving $100 silver tomorrow. What do you guys is more likely tomorrow, guys? A double tap from the bankers or $100 silver? Put one in chat. $100 or double tap. So put banker or 100. We're just waiting here for Brent to open. Brent Oil is going to be opening here in just 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Do a video on Mrs. IS Coffee. Maybe I will. Can you do a video on LSD? No, Sean. Germanium mint bars are known to have extra silver or gold in the bars. Looking now for germanium. Yeah, they do. Actually, if you go watch this video, go to my channel, click videos latest. Go down here to this video here 2 months ago, deep inside the germanium mint. Guys, I go in there, I do the tool tour, I mint my own coin, and literally in this video, they say that they always put more silver and gold in the bar. So you know you're always getting that little bit more. Okay, guys, we are just 3 minutes away from the Brent Oil opening. We're going to watch that, then we're going to do a crab raid. Who's ready for a crab raid? Remember, it's meant to be a blessing, not a curse. We halo drop about 1,000 crustaceans into a channel. We all smash the like button. That is the what I ask you to do is flood the chat with crabs and smash the like button. If you want to subscribe, that's up to you. But we'll be doing that here in just a little bit. 2 minutes and 30 seconds till Brent opens. Let's go ahead and pull that chart up. What's going to happen, guys? Do you think it's going to go up or down? And why am I watching oil? Well, one of the channel members, Josh, is heavily invested in it. But two, this is going to give us the indicator if oil is going to keep moving up or down. But look at earlier on the trading session, every single type of oil down. And this will, too, affect the DXY. Silverpug says double tap, backing up 2 trucks if it happens. Yeah, are you guys going to be ready if we get double tap tomorrow to get more? Okay, 1 minute and 45 seconds till Brent crude oil opens back up. What do you guys think it's going to happen? Is it going to tank with the rest of oil? Like so far, look at the last numbers when it was live. It was down 1%, more than the other 3 types of oil I'm monitoring here on this channel, WTI, US oil, and crude. Do a video on Viola. Ooh. Their email was picture of new quarter gold back. Oh, nice. Let me see if I can pull that up without doxing myself. Hold up. I do want to see that. Hold up. I'm looking. I've got to get 10 trillion. I got a million emails to work through. Oh my gosh. Wow. This looks pretty sweet. Look at this. These are the new 1/4 or quarter gold backs. They have 1/2 and now quarters. I'm going to get a stack of these. And chat, that's Intl-Stacker. He's got his own business. I'm not sponsored by him, but it's Red Dirt Reserve LLC. And as soon as he has the quarters in stock, I'm going to buy some. Not listed yet. But honestly, he has some of the best prices on gold backs on the internet, and he's one of you crustaceans, so I support him. Red Dirt Reserve. Friday is usually Banker's Day for metals. Totally true, Silverpug. I'm thinking more and more that a double tap might be in order for us tomorrow. Here we go. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Josh, it's not moving. Josh, Brent oil is not moving. Were you right on your time, Josh? I don't see it moving. Okay, US oil's moving. It's down. Might as well call this Flow Rider because it's going down, 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 down. WTI gapped down. Look at that. WTI oil gapped down. Crude is moving. It's not looking pretty. Take some profits, Josh. Not a financial advisor. Take some profits. All right, let's see if he's still alive here. I did that extra just for you. Oh, I think he ended the stream.
Door, like you say, like a motel room or a hotel. You don't have a door at every room. You got a main doorway.
Okay, he's live. We're going to go right now, guys, before he's not live anymore. Thank you so much for the support. I'm going to be live tomorrow morning, 7:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure you tune in. Make sure you wake up and drink some coffee with me. If it's evening, sip on something nice with me. I'll see you in the morning. Let's go rate him right now. Let's drop some crabs, show him some love, and I'll say CYOTNO. Catch you on the next one.